Hi, this is Justin with the Justin Sorensen Agency. I want to take a couple quick minutes to address a question that's popped up a couple times in the last few days, specifically regarding rental car reimbursement coverage on a car insurance policy with Allstate. So the first thing is, regardless of who you get your policy through, a rental car reimbursement is what allows for a rental car vehicle to be provided in the case that you have a car that's damaged in a claim or is being covered by a claim and it's in the shop and you need to have a rental car to get around because you don't have a spare vehicle or don't have anything to borrow or whatever it is. And so if you find yourself without a car and you would need help getting around, or if you need to get a rental car, you want to have rental reimbursement coverage. Now, the coverage itself is kind of changing as times have evolved. Right now, our latest version of our car insurance policy, we call it transportation expense. So not only could it cover a rental car going around, but it could cover a ride with Uber or Lyft. It could also cover bus fare or taxi fare, different things like that, or possibilities that could be covered by it. So when you look at your auto policy, you'll either see transportation expense or rental car reimbursement, one of those two. And depending on how it's labeled, would depend on how it could be used. Now, that being said, the question that's popped up to me a couple times in the last few days is, my car's in the shop, can I get a rental car? Well, the answer to that is dependent upon why is the car in the shop. And so in both of those cases where people called in, their car was in the shop because it had maintenance that needed to be done, just regular wear and tear, upkeep on the vehicle, different work that needed to be done. So for example, if you're replacing a muffler or getting your transmission fixed or something like that, just going into the shop for those types of reasons, your car insurance policy is not going to provide coverage for an extra vehicle for those types of situations. And so again, first, just check your policy. If your car was in an accident and you need a rental car to get around, make sure you've got either transportation expense or rental car reimbursement. Second, that coverage is going to come into effect if the car is in the shop because of a covered claim. I hope you guys have a good rest of the day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.